up, guys? We're back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be talking about motion for beginners. Be sure to also like this video and comment. Okay, so the first block in motion is move 10 steps. Now this does is it will move 10 but in the direction you're in. So like if I was in this direction, it will move 10 steps that way. If I were in this direction, move 10 steps that way, and so on and so on. Okay, so the next block allows you to turn 15 degrees like this, which is pretty useful, but I don't know how it's going to be useful. The next block is to turn 15 degrees but the other way. You can also do turn negative 15. I don't know if this works, but this is like the same purpose as this block. I don't know why, but whatever. The next block is go to random position, and this just goes to whatever you like. It just goes to random position. The next the next part is go to mouse pointer. So when you do this, it'll go to mouse pointer. It'll go to your mouse. The next block is go to X and whatever. So this block does is it will go to whatever X value and Y value put in depending on where the guy is. The next block is glide 1 second, and this block does is it will just glide to random position because this chosen. But if I do mouse pointer and do this in a forever loop, this will just go to my mouse pointer like that. The next block is glide 1 second to X and Y. So this does is it's gonna glide 1 second to whatever values you put in, depending on the X and Y. The next block is point in direction 90. Now this does it will just set to 90, and you can put any direction you want. Like if you put negative 90, it'll be upside down. If you put like this, then it will be left side. The next block is point towards mouse pointer. Now what this does is it is going to, if I put this in a forever loop, this will just point in my mouse pointer. So let me just move this back here. There you go. So now you can see it moving like that. It's just going to point towards there. The next block is change X by 10. So this just change X by 10. And you can also put negative values to go backwards. The next block is set X to set X to a random position depending on whatever you put in here. It will go to that X, but the Y will never change unless you put a set Y to whatever. But you can always do the go to X. And then the next block is change Y, so it will go up and down. So if you put negative value, it goes down. If you put a positive value, it goes up. The next block is set Y to 115. Now this goes to whatever Y you put, and the X still remains same. The next block is if on edge bounce. So for this example, I'm going to say move 10 steps. So as you can see, let me just click this. So it will bounce off the edge, or the cat will bounce off the edge, and it will also turn direction minus 180. So yeah, the same thing with if on edge bounce. You can also put it if touching edge. You can also do like, where is it? If touching edge, point in direction minus 180, and this is like the same type of purpose. So if I did point in direction minus 180, if I can get it, it's like that. So it's just like the same, but it kind of gets stuck. So that's why you just use if on edge bounce. The next block is set rotation style. So depending on which one you do, so the left and right means to change by its left and right. So meaning that it will only change by its left and right. So yeah, that's why I did not like. It's just like this. It turns around. The next block is X position, Y position, and then direction. Now X position, you can check these and it will tell all of your X position and stuff. So yeah, that was a tutorial on how to
Gotta catch 'em all.